That's a way to finish the day. We ran out of petrol. I'm gonna sit down on this really prickly grass and I'm going to guard the Hakosuka.
How are you, mate? What are you doing? What's going on?
Oh, mate, I'm just admiring. Yummy.
These back there can get with the paint, though. What do you reckon? The back there, mate? Yeah. Might have to watch some Flip My Ride to see it to learn how to do it.
I'm trying to find Todd from the I-30N Club. He's going to take me for a spin.
Just slow down. There's a reason why we're going slow.
Fuck me. Woohoo! Fuck yeah! That thing has hauled ass all day. It's kept up with a lot of quick cars. It's amazing to sit in, and the sound of those ITBs and the torque is awesome. Thank you, Gav, for having me along to share the experience, mate. Thank you to the Skid Factory crew again for hanging out with them. I hope everyone enjoyed the day. We ran out of petrol.